Hello students, good morning everyone. Again I am here to present my videos. Those who are new for my channel, please subscribe my channel. If you like my videos, then you can share it also. Today I am going to teach you the ninth poem of class 10th, Fog. It is written by Carl Sandburg. First of all, we have to know about the poet. Carl Sandburg was an American poet. He was also biographer, journalist and editor. He had written many poems. He was born on he was born on 6 January 1878 and died at the age of 89 on July 22nd July 1967. He was widely regarded as a major figure in contemporary literature. Chicago poem, Columbus Smoke and Steel are some of his famous works. After knowing the poet, we have to know the introduction of the poem. The poem Fog, written by the Carl Sandburg, he has portrayed the nature and its silica working. Ratio poets tells that fog comes silently and slowly like a craft is a fine example of the use of the metaphor in the poetry. Just after knowing the poet, just we have to know the poem. The Fog is a short poem of 6 lines. It has 2 stanzas. It is a free verse poem. The poem does not have any regular rhyme scheme. The poem is an extended metaphor. The poet uses the metaphor of a cat to describe the fog. The fog comes in, stays, and engulfs everything in its fold silently, almost imperceptibly before moving on. It sits looking over the harbor and the city before disappearing in feline mystery. Now we have to explain the poem line by line. The fog comes on little cat feet. It sits looking over harbor and city on silent haunches and then moves on. The difficult words are fog. It is a thick cloud of tiny water droplets present in the atmosphere, especially in winter. Harbor means the pot or haunches means sitting with knees. The poet explains about this poem that the expression of the view of fog for the poet, fog is not just a natural phenomena. According to the poet, it is rather a creature. Fog has been compared with a cat, as the way fog comes, it's just similar to the ways of a cat. As a cat walks silently on its small feet, the fog also comes in the same manner. As it trying to avoid any attention, fog's presence over and around a city seems as if a cat is sitting silently on its haunches and looking over the harbor and the city. Finally, when the fog leaves a city, it looks like a cat, slow and silent steps moving on from a place. The summary of the poem. The poet says that the fog, which is generally seen during the winter season, is coming towards the city and the harbor just like a cat. This means that it is approaching the city in a very silent manner so that no one can notice its arrival. He has compared its arrival to that of a cat because a cat always enters a place silently. Next, he says that fog has covered the whole of the city and harbor, and it appears as if it is sitting by, folding its legs and looking around just the way a cat does when it sits on the haunches and looks around. At the end, he describes the departure of the fog, which very silently and unpredictably, again similar to the departure of the cat, vanishes. the central idea of the poem. The poet Karl Sandburg, in this poem, Fog, describes fog as a cat. This description of fog as a living creature shows the poet's interest in the wonders and beauties of nature. To him, the coming of fog resembles the way a cat comes silently on little cat feet, like a cat. The fog sits on its haunches and like a cat's gaze. The fog looks over the harbor and the city just like a cat keeps moving and hardly stays at one place. The fog also slowly moves on and vanishes. The message of the poem. The fog tries to compare a fog to the swift and silent movement of a cat. Just as a cat comes walking on its silent paws, in the same way a fog comes unnoticed by anyone. It covers the whole place and looks over the whole city and harbor, but before we know it, it will be gone from sight without any warnings. In the same way a cat moves on. It tries to convey that something in our life come and go silently and without being noticed. At last, we have to know the conclusion of the poem. The conclusion of the poem is that in our life also, the problems arises just like the fog comes. It stays just like the fog stays. It disappears just like the fog moves on. Thank you.